Hi friends, so how are you? So on request of students of different boards, I am making this video so that it should be beneficial for all the boards. So let us start this linear equation. Before that, I want to request you that if it is beneficial to you, so please like and share my videos and click the bell icon so that you may get the information updated. Okay, without wasting time, let us start this linear equation. So before starting, we should know the definition of linear equation. What is equation? So let us define. So equation is a relation between some known and unknown quantities followed by equal sign. So let us take example. So let us take one example. So here, suppose 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. So this is the equation of linear equation. So where 2, 3, 5 and 5 are known as constants and x, y are variables. So why these 2, 3, 5 are known as constant? Because their value never changes. Wherever you use it, 2 will be 2, 3 will be 3, 5 will be 5. So that is why it is known as constant. Constant means the thing which does not change in any circumstance. And x and y are known as variable. Why they are known as variable? Because they keep on changing. In one sum, you will get the answer x is equal to -1. Answer means value of x -1. In other sum, you will get the value of x as 2 or 1 or 3 or anything. So it keeps on changing. That is why it is known as variables. Now, general forms of equation. So general form of linear equation in two variables. What is the example? So it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here a, b, c are real numbers and a and b, this should not be equal to 0, and x, y are variables. So we can say this statement as a square plus b square, this should not be 0 in symbolic representation. So if you take a and b both as 0, then what will happen? So a and b both will be 0, then your equation will change to c is equal to 0. That is constant. So it is not existing as a linear equation in two variables. and if you are taking a as 0, only a, then it will change to linear equation in one variable. And if you take b as 0, same thing, linear equation in one variable. Okay, so now solving equation. So one important thing, this is note. So if any equation, in any equation power of variable is negative or in root side, then it is not considered as linear equation. This point is very important. Sometimes it is asked, say whether the following equation is linear equation or not. On the basis of this, you can reply it. Now, let us learn solving equation. What does it mean? Solving equation means finding the value of x and y variables by following some rules. So, solving equation, I am rubbing this part because here less space is here. So, please note it down. So, now I am rubbing it. Solving equation. It has many rules. Number one, graphical method. Or it is also known, okay, leave. Number two, substitution method. Number three, comparison method. Number four, cross multiplication method. Number five, this is determinant method. And substitution, comparison. Oh, sorry, I should write here. Elimination method. And last, this determinant method. So these are 6 methods of solving simultaneous equation in 2 variables. So let us solve by using different methods. So I am taking one example. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. So 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. And another equation is 3x plus y is equal to 2. 3x plus y is equal to 2. So these two equations, this way two equations will be given to you. So let us name them. This is number 1 and this is number 2. So first we will discuss graphical method later on because it needs the graph paper. So later on I will give you the idea how to solve the simple equation in two variables by graphical method. Later on we will discuss because it is quite new chapter. So now let us discuss substitution method. So number 2 we are discussing by substitution method. Substitution method. In substitution method, what do? We will find the value of x in terms of y or y in terms of x, which is suitable, which is easy to find the value in x in terms of y or y in terms of x. So here we will take number 2. So it is easy to convert. So from equation 2, what we are getting? So it is 3x plus y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 minus 3x. So name it as 3. So we got the value of y in terms of x. So we substitute this value in 1. This 2 and 3, equation 2 and 3 are same. So, but little bit we've changed the form. So we will substitute the value of y in 1. So putting the value of y is equal to 2 minus 3x in equation 1. In equation 1. So what will happen? So y 5x minus this is 3 and y for y we substitute y minus 3x and this is equal to 8. Have you got it? So let us solve 5x. We multiply by this minus 6 and minus plus 3 3s are 9x is equal to 8. So transfer this 5x and 9x is 14x and when 6 will be brought here on the right side, so it will be 8 plus 6. So this is 14x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 by 14, that is 1. Is it visible? Yes. So you got the value. So x is equal to 1. So this is, we got this answer value of x. Now we will substitute this in any of the three equations. So putting x is equal to 1 in this number 3, it will be easy to get the value. So it will be 2 minus 3 into 1. So it is 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So you got this. This is the answer. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. So this is the value. This is the answer. Now whether our answer is right or wrong, so how will we know? So there is a method for checking the answer. So we substitute this value, the answer you got. So you will substitute this value in left hand side of the given equation. If you are getting the value equal to right hand side, it means you are right. Otherwise you are wrong. So let us see. So checking of answer. So putting the values of x and y, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. in equation 1. So let us see values of x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1 in left hand side. So 5 into 1 and minus 3 into y in minus 1. So this will be equal to 5 and plus 3. This is equal to a. This is a right hand side. So this is equal to right hand side. It means the answer we got, it is right. So this way you can boldly say that what you have done, the answer is right. Otherwise, you will be wrong. I think this much is clear. Okay? Note it down. Let us solve this by comparison method. So this we have done. Number 2, comparison method. So I am rubbing this. This is number 3, comparison method. So here what we do in comparison method, we find the value of x in terms of y or y in terms of x from both the equations. So let us do. So from equation 1, so 5x minus a is equal to 3y. So I am finding the value of y in terms of x. So here y will be equal to 5x minus a upon 3. So this is number 3. Now from equation 2, so y is equal to 2 minus 3x. This is equation 4. Now there is a rule. If one side of a equation of two equations are equal, then other side must be equal. This is one way. And another way, the value of y you can substitute here, so you will get this equal to this, or you can substitute the value of y here, so same way you will get the same thing. So now by comparison method we are comparing these two equations, equation 3 and 4. So here left hand side is equal, so right hand side must be equal. So therefore 5x minus 8 upon 3 is equal to 2 minus 3x. So you can write it by what? So now by cross multiplication. So here you will get 5x minus 8 is equal to 3 into 2 minus 3x. By cross multiplication you will multiply the denominator with this numerator and this denominator by this numerator. This is known as cross multiplication. This way. Now, so this is 5x minus 8 is equal to 6 and this is minus 3 3s are 9x. So what we are getting? Let us transfer. This is 5x plus 9x is equal to 6 plus 8. So this is 14x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 by 14. So x is equal to 1. So we got the value of x is equal to 1. Now we substitute the value of x in either of the equation anywhere. So let us substitute here in equation 4. It is easy. So putting the value of x is equal to 1 in equation 4. So y is equal to 2 minus 3 into 1. So this is 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to, you got minus 1. Okay, so we got our answer. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. So one thing, I have chosen the same sum and solving the same sum by different methods. So there is a purpose. What do I want to explain you, that by any way, any method, if you do, you will get the same answer. No problem. But sometimes in exam, it is asked to solve the following equation by some specific method. They will give the name. So you should follow that rule. Then you will get marks, otherwise no. So that's all for today. The rest of the method we will discuss in new video. Okay, thank you. Bye.